Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my fabric haul because for I think a month ago I went to Fabricland and I got some fabric and I want to just showing, but I also want to do like a little bit different today. Maybe you can help me to choose a fabric, whatever color, I will name it, and yeah, and I will use this fabric for like future video. I will give this a little bit of time because I don't get so many comments in my videos. I mean, I don't force anyone to do that, it's totally up to you. If you want to write something or just want to watch my video, that's totally fine. But yeah, I will see if this works out. I think I'm also gonna make a post on Instagram. You will see. So I'm gonna show you all my nice new fabric, and if you feel like it, you can post your favorite color down below in the comments, and you can also suggest an outfit, dress, whatever you want to see made out of this fabric. But don't worry, because I have very special skill and I can make up outfits or dresses for any kind of fabric. So if you don't have any idea, then that's totally fine. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so I want to see how many do I have actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, 9 fabric. Okay, so yeah, let's start. Okay, first one I have is this very nice blue one. This one was cotton. It's super nice, it feels great, and it's also super thin. I think it's good for yeah, maybe blouses or tops or dresses, even like any kind. Cotton like this. This fabric feels so nice. And okay, so this was the blue one. And I have, the next one is, and yes, I actually like this one a lot. This has a creamy color. This is also cotton, and I can see this has white stripes, so it's cream and white stripes. Yeah, so feels so nice. And this is also cotton. This is so super good for dresses or yeah, whatever, or maybe a vest or something. I have so much. This is like so much fabric. So the next one is, I think it's pretty hard to see on the camera, but this has kind of a pinkish tone. Like, it's so pale, but I was like, I'm gonna get that too. Yeah, so if you want to see me something doing with this fabric for my next doll outfit, then I say this is the kind of pinkish, very pale pinkish fabric. Oh my god, it's great. Oh, the next one, I really like this one. I don't know why, it looks cool. And this one is, I think it's also cotton. I think so. So this one looks like this, and it's white with just black stripes, but I think it will really look good on a dress. Yeah, this was white with black stripes. And I really love I think the next one is my favorite. I really love this one. Oh my god, it's so nice. It's I really love this one. I love this even more than the other one. So this guy here, I know that's something mixed. I think I checked the tag, but I don't think it was cotton. It was also the most expensive one. It was, I think, almost $15 the meter, I know it's actually not that much. It was funny that they asked me, oh, you know, this is $15. I'm like, yeah, that's fine. Do I look like I don't have money? Yeah, just kidding. And I just took 30 centimeters, so it's not even that bad. Yeah, so this is blue, and it's a very nice blue, and it has like also white stripes, so looks cool, and will also work very good for a dress or a blouse, or yeah, I can totally see that. I'm also ready to combine this with any other colorful fabric, so let's see. Okay, so this was the blue with white stripes, and the next one is this one here. I'm also not sure if my camera can catch the color. This is like a greenish color, and when I first saw that, I'm like, it's okay, but no, I think, hey, this is actually great. It's and the material is rayon. I like rayon because it feels nice. And as far as I know, rayon, the fiber used for rayon is made out of wood, and I think it's even sawdust, so it's pretty cool, and the color is just, it's great. Yeah, so this is the green fabric, so if you want to see the dress for that, let me know. And so this one, oh my god, has already a thread coming out here. Bye. Snip snap. It's gone. Okay, and this is baby blue fabric. It's also rayon, and man, I can already imagine what to do with that. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it's also super good combination with white or creamy colors. So baby blue fabric, so nice. And oh, next one is also yeah, this is yeah, like a, I think it's coral. It's like, has like a pinkish color. Yeah. Pinkish, peachy, and I love it. I love the color. Yeah, this is also rayon, and you can see that it falls like so nice. It's super thin, super light, and it falls really good, because the cotton ones are always like a little bit stiff if it's not mixed with any other materials. Yeah, so that's it. And I do have also so this is the last fabric, and it's black, and yeah, just the black rayon. Yeah, so if you feel like that maybe I should do something with the black fabric, then you can comment me below. If there's no comments at all, I will be like, I think, very sad. But that's okay. This is all the fabric, but I also bought some lace, because I always need lace. I love buying it. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, I got this one. I think this is one of the smallest they have, because for my MSD ones, I always need the smallest lace. And this is also cool. It's elastic, so there's that. I got this lace, and I also got this one. And this is so cute. I think this is even, no, this is not cotton. I think this is polyester. No, this is definitely not cotton, but it's so nice. It's really, 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 really cute. I'm not sure if you can see this, but I can put the black underneath and then, yeah, no, I think now you can see this. It's so nice. When I saw this, I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna get this. Okay. Yeah, so that was my short fabric haul. I just felt like to do something else. Pretty sure next video will be a sewing video for my dolls, and then after that I already know what to do. I will do something else. It will not be a sewing video. So once again, text me in the comments what fabric you want to see next, or you can also text me on Instagram, or yeah, maybe on Facebook if you see me there. And yeah, and if you already if you want to give me like a hint for an outfit, dress, pants, shirt, even jacket, go ahead. Do it. If not, then I think I'm gonna pick something random and just be creative and yeah, have fun. So yeah, oh yeah, and also I want to say thanks so much for any support, for any likes and comments, and I'm so happy that people really get inspired. If the videos help you, then that makes me so happy. That's great. So yeah, guys, have a nice day, stay happy, and yeah, enjoy your summer, and see you soon. Ciao ciao, bye.